Keep playing.
Who is crazy? Yeah, Boogie.
What did you say, Blake?
You forget.
What does that mean?
But someone was shooting me. Who was that? Who's here? That's what you have to do. Yeah, book it. I want to book it. What does the red mean?
That means that you're starting a gang war. You need to kill them guys. Take out a gun.
What gun? A big gun?
Yeah. A gun. Right there. Shoot him. Shoot him, Blake.
I can't pick a gun.
Here, let me get it. Hold this. See how I do that?
Yeah. Did you kill all of them? Are you making a video? Are you making a video?
You're such a beast. Say hello, Blake.
Hello. But there's still bad guys. Hello.